Hello. Welcome to our channel. Today I will tell you a story about a woman. A woman who felt unlucky. But sometimes what we call unlucky can become strength. This story is called Unlucky Wife. Let's begin. My name is Linda. People say I am an unlucky wife. I got married when I was young. My husband's name is Mark. At first he was kind, he was sweet. He made me feel loved. I thought I was lucky. But slowly, things began to change. He came home late. He did not talk much. Sometimes he was angry. For no reason. I tried to understand him. I tried to be patient. "I'm just tired," he said. So I stayed quiet. Days became months. His anger became worse. He shouted. He blamed me. Even small things became big problems. I felt scared, but I stayed. Because I loved him, and I hoped he would change. One night he did not come home. I waited all night. The next morning he came back. "Where were you?" I asked. He looked at me and said nothing. Later I found out the truth. He was with another woman. My heart broke. I could not breathe. "Why?" I asked him. He looked cold. "I don't love you anymore," he said. Those words destroyed me. I cried for many nights. I felt empty. Maybe I am not good enough, I thought. I am an unlucky wife. But one day, something changed. I looked at myself in the mirror. I saw a tired woman, a sad woman, but I also saw a strong woman. "I don't deserve this," I said. For the first time, I chose myself. I packed my things. I left the house. It was not easy. I was afraid. But I was also free. Days passed. I started a new life. I found a small job. I made new friends. Slowly, I smiled again. One day, someone said to me, "You are strong." I smiled. Because now I understand. I was not unlucky. I was just in the wrong place. And when I left, I found myself again. My name is Linda, and this is my story. Thank you for listening. Sometimes we feel unlucky, but maybe we are just in the wrong situation. Choose yourself, respect yourself, and don't be afraid to walk away. If you enjoy simple English stories, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next story.